welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now this video is supposed to be the introduction because I previously done this chemical cleaning. So this video helped clarify the whole process of how you should service your own air conditioner or hire someone else to do it for you. What's the flow? Okay, so I performed the chemical cleaning earlier, and then now I am using a garden hose to clean the roller and also the coil, because previously some viewer comment that maybe it's not clean enough, right? So I use a garden hose, and then now I use the nozzle gun by Bosch to clean the outdoor unit. So I didn't use a chemical to treat the outdoor unit, so I just use the nozzle gun to do it. Then after that, to remove this cover, gain access to the wiring and also the fuel gas gauge to test the gas pressure. Okay, make sure you switch off the main before you work on this outdoor unit. Is switch off. Okay, do not turn on any electricity at the moment. You do not want to get electrocuted. So different outdoor unit will have their own ampere rating. So here it says 5 ampere, meaning when it's running at actually constant temperature, optimum current will be 5 ampere. So you need an ammeter. Make sure you set the correct ampere rating and then clamp it there, because alternate current generates magnetic field. Magnetic field will actually induce current, and then this ammeter will measure the magnetic field and tells you what is the current induced. And then the pressure gauge. Now earlier in my another video, I have shown you how to do purging and how to connect the charging hose. Please watch it, and you can just watch it as for entertainment, for your own understanding purpose. Probably you are not aware how to do it, you're not sure what you need to do. So this video serves as an entertainment purpose only, because I know what am I doing. Probably you do not. Even if you watch it, probably you can't do it yourself. It's quite dangerous to do it. Sometimes it actually cause an explosion. So if you do not sure what to do, better hire someone else to do it for you. So I just want to show you the overall process is really labor intensive. 35 minutes later, only the current stabilized at 4.8 ampere. So that's how I know the freon gas pressure is low. Then I need to top it up. My another video actually shown you how to do the purging and how to connect the charging hose. Okay, so if you're not sure what to do, hire someone else to do it for you. Wait for the current to be stable at 5 ampere. It actually took me roughly 45 minutes to an hour, okay, for this gas pressure topping up exercise. That's why I say it's labor intensive. That's why they charge you quite high, right? When they ask someone else to do it for you, they charge you, but it's worth it, okay? Because it's their time, okay? I hope this video helped you to clarify why it costs so much, okay? Because it's labor intensive. I think that's basically all about it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, remember subscribe to my channel, and I appreciate a thumbs up. And then see you. Bye bye.